Hey guys, today I'm doing a video on the Dyson ball multi-floor. I didn't have enough juice to do it on this video, so yeah. This is why I'm doing a video on this right now and on how to use it. Here's the on and off, and here's the brush bar on and off button. Here's a button to take off this. Right here is the filter. Right here is the duster and crevister, and just pop this in and out. Reason it's hard to pop in is because I'm doing it by one hand. Just bring that up and bring it back and then pop it in. The hose lifts up. This one is a little pain to put back in place. See? All you have to do is to get it down. Just see? Just push down like so. It has to a good size swivel. This, I turn it this way and it'll unloosen. See? Just turn it, yeah, turn it this way. If I could do it. See? That's where the filter is, and you should wash it monthly, or it will get nasty and not be HEPA filtration. That's what you should do with all vacuums, even though they're not HEPA filtration. All you have to do is pop, hang on. Just turn it this way and it should go in. Make sure you don't do it too tight though. You want to have it loose at least so it can do a spin. This is your main wheel. I know it's a ball bottom. This is your main wheel that would be turning you in the direction you want to go. Now let's give her a test. To put her in place, just push down like so. The button right here, that'll be your on and off button. See, it did pretty good on the carpet.
Well, what I told her was, you had a walk from the deal.
Sorry about that, guys. The suction is very strong. For all, it did pretty good. Look how much dirt I did get. I hope you really liked this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.